Burton Technologies manufactures some innovative earphone adapters, and our next guest is here to show and tell about his new innovative ideas. The owner of Acoustibuds, John Burton. Hey, John, welcome into Tomorrow. How you doing?
Thank you. Very good. How are you?
Pretty good. Glad to have you with us, and of course, we just lost one channel of our audio, but I guess we're okay in the headphones. It's just weird things, you know, live to hard drive radio. What can I say? But we can hear each other out of one ear.
Yeah.
That works. Okay, there we go. We just suddenly got it back. It's amazing. Technology. Go figure. So tell me about these Acoustibuds. What are they exactly?
They're adapters for the earphones that you already own. They fit all iPod, iPhone, the Bluetooth actually that Apple makes, and basically pretty much all MP3 players, the standard earphones that you get with those.
And what's unique about these, I was able to spend a couple of minutes at your exhibit here on the show floor here in New York before we went on the air, and got to see that they are different than your average earbuds in many ways. They'll be used on your average earbuds, right?
Correct.
So you don't happen to have earbuds handy with you, or do you? Ah, look at that. He's well prepared. So show us why they're different. And again, those listening on the radio, just come by the site and check out the video podcast at your convenience. But we'll get Angela to zoom in tight when she can, and we'll show these, and you'll check out these earbuds as John tells us about them.
Okay. Well, first of all, what's different is this fits over the face of the earbud right here, and it's free to flex basically, right? And that's important to conform to the ear. Sure.
So when you put this earbud, normally you just kind of put it in at the front of your ear canal, and I don't know about other people, but they just tend to fall out.
Correct. That's one of the things this really handles very well, is because you have these fins that are closely spaced together. They grip to the inside of the ear. And it also has the other benefit of that is for sound isolation. It creates a multi-barrier sound isolation. Gotcha. So you get both an acoustic benefit, and it stays in your ear whether you're running on the treadmill or running outside. It's great for exercise. They stay in. And that's one of the biggest problems I've heard.
Oh, sure. I would imagine, especially because we tend to perspire even. Correct. Not only the running and the movement, but then just sweating, and you're going to pop these things out.
Exactly.
So as we switch back to the Dave cam, you can see I'm just holding it on the tip of my finger. Maybe hard to focus there all along. But you get the idea. When you put that in your ear, it's going to hold on a whole lot more. You did something different with the design too. It didn't.
Correct.
It isn't just to push it through in a narrow channel like most.
Well, a lot of fittings do fit to the ear and create a good sound isolation barrier, but this is exceptional in that regard. But on the inside, we're doing something new, which I've got a diagram of it right here, and that is we've applied acoustic horn technology to the inside of the ear fitting, which is important to gradually channel the sound wave from the speaker driver into the ear canal.
So that way the sound wave can get into the ear canal unimpeded.
Correct.
The way it was meant to be.
Exactly. And this technology has been applied on a larger scale, so I'm kind of doing in reverse. You know, you build a model airplane, and to prove a big one will work, well, I've applied what's been known and understood on a large scale and miniaturizing it basically.
And you're saying that the Acoustibuds also tend to improve the acoustics as well.
Correct.
It isn't just that it's holding them in your ear.
Correct.
Better.
Absolutely. The fins again create a nice sound isolation that improves the bass and overall amplitude, and then the center core, twin cone core we call it, that handles the middle and upper frequencies very well. They basically bring them and enrich those frequencies. And
who would think that something that I sort of described off the air, but I might as well tell our audience who get a better handle on it. Imagine putting this over your existing earbud, whatever brand earbud you have, kind of like an earbud condom, for lack of a better term. But it's easy.
Exactly what it is.
It's exactly what it is. You put it over your earbud, and it's going to fit better in your ear canal and stay there. Quick, what do they sell for?
$12.99 on Amazon.com.
There you go. For $13, you're not going to lose your earbuds, or like me on an airplane, and then you're starting to doze off enjoying your music, and one of the earbuds pops out because it's so inconvenient. Check it out at Acoustibuds.com as well. It's Acoustibuds.com. And of course, we'll have a link to John's site and all of our guests from CES Unveiled. John Burton, thanks for spending a couple of minutes with us, and good luck to you. This is an innovative idea that I think is going to go a long way for you.
Great. Thank you.
Our pleasure. Yeah. We're back with more from New York City as Into Tomorrow continues.